Hello and welcome to this further demonstration of the NobleProg DaDesktop Training Room. You join me as your trainer together with 3 delegates, John, Catherine and Samantha. And I'm going to look at, in particular, the Breakout Room function. Now, this is the main NobleProg Training Room multi-screen view as it appears to the trainer. It's what enables me to keep a visual on all of the delegates' desktops, to intervene and to take control when necessary. But let's see it from the participant's perspective. So when you join a NobleProg course, this is what you'll see. This is John's view. John can see his desktop and he can see my desktop. And it's exactly the same for all of the other delegates. That's Samantha's view and that's Catherine's view. The delegates at this stage can't see each other's desktops and they can't obviously take control of the trainer's desktop. Now imagine, if you will, that we're in the middle of our course, that I have reviewed with you all of the material that I loaded up onto the desktops and that we have been through the slides. What I now want to do as your trainer is create a much more collaborative environment for you to work together in smaller groups on the labs or exercises that I've set for you. I need you to be able to see each other's desktops and to understand what each other is doing, just as you would do in a normal classroom environment. So I create a breakout room. I can set the number of rooms referable to how many delegates we have on the course, and I can also expand or reduce the duration of the breakout room. Then it's simply a question of allocating the delegates to the room. So we'll put John and Samantha in room 1 and we'll leave Catherine with the trainer because there are only 3 delegates on this course. And I'll create it. Now, because I didn't include myself as the trainer in the breakout room, my view is exactly as it was. But for the delegates, for Samantha and John, this is what they see. An invitation to join the breakout room, which Samantha can do. She will be the only delegate in that breakout room until we see John join. Now we have our breakout room and we have the time remaining appearing at the top. Now, what's crucial to understand is that not only can John and Samantha now see each other's desktops, crucially, they can now intervene and control each other's desktops. So the application for this is vast in terms of an interactive workshop, exercise, lab. It can be used in any way the trainer needs it to be used. And let's just take an example here then. So I'm John. I'm going to take control of Samantha's desktop, and let's say I'm going to invite her, in fact, to review this particular aspect of the data. And we can work together in a highly interactive way so that we can both see exactly what each other is doing and we can have an input into the other's work. For the trainer, they keep a visual on what's going on through the main training room multi-screen view, but they can also join that breakout room. This is the trainer's view, joining that breakout room. And then let's go at it from the delegate's perspective. This is what John will see. He sees me as the trainer joining the room. And again, it's highly interactive because now Samantha and John, not only can they see and take control of each other's desktops, they can also take control of the trainer's desktop. So they can model for me what they've been doing. It can be used in any way you want, but it's highly interactive. It is as close to a classroom environment as we can get. It's one of the aspects why we still believe that the NobleProg DaDesktop Training Room is your classroom wherever you want it. Thanks for watching the demonstration.